Welcome to You and Your Tech. This time we are going to install two WhatsApp on our phone with two different numbers. No need to have a dual SIM phone. No need to install third-party programs. I will teach you many ideas to get a second number for this another WhatsApp. And it does not matter if your phone is Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, OnePLUS, or a Chinese brand. We will see which version is already with this function, and everything will be explained in such a simple way that anyone can do it. Stay with us and let's start. Let's go to the work table to see how they are done with our first phone, a Samsung phone. To start with, let's go to Settings. Then we look where it says Advanced Features. We find it where it says Dual Messenger. Here we will see a set of applications that are compatible with this function. That is not only WhatsApp. We are only interested in one, that is WhatsApp. It will ask us, do you want to install a second copy of WhatsApp? We simply say, Install. And in the disclaimer notice we give, Confirm. On the next screen, it asks us if we want to use the separate contact list. This means, if we want to use the same list of our usual contacts to both WhatsApp accounts, or if we want to use a different list with some exclusive contacts to use in the second WhatsApp account. I recommend leaving it on, deactivated. That is, using the same contact list for both accounts. However, if you want to activate this feature, you will have to select specifically which contacts you will need to use only with this second WhatsApp account. We give it Next. And we say that we do want to use our usual contacts. Now let's bring our second phone, a Xiaomi phone, to the workbench to see where we find this function and enable it. We go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Applications. In Applications, we look for where it says Dual Applications. And it appears in the list of applications available with this functionality. In this case we select WhatsApp. It will ask us if we want to create a dual app for Google services. We say, Activate. Now we go with those who have Huawei, so let's bring a Mate 20 Pro as an example. First we go to Settings. In Settings, we look where it says Applications. And then we look where it says Twin App. It will show us the applications that we have installed that are compatible with this function. In this case we are only interested in WhatsApp, so we activate. At the bottom, it will show us a message that says, Creating a twin application. Let's take the work table to our fourth phone, a OnePLUS phone. We go to Settings. In this case we have to find where it says Utilities. There we will find the section that says Parallel Applications. It will show us the applications you have installed available with this function. And let's go to WhatsApp. At the bottom we show a message that says Parallel WhatsApp has been created. Let us bring to the table our last phone, a Chinese phone, specifically what I do with the phone OPPO. We go to Settings. In this case we are going to get it as Application Cloner. We will see the list of installed applications that we can clone. In this case, of course, we select WhatsApp. Then we will have to confirm that we want to clone the application. Excellent. Now we are ready to go to our next step, which is activate parallel WhatsApp. Let's bring back to the workbench the first phone we ever used. In our sea of installed applications, we will find a WhatsApp with an icon that differs slightly from the original because it will have in the corner a small mark, which means that the duplicate WhatsApp. This symbol or mark will vary according to the model of your phone. We open that for the first time. Accept and continue. And then it asks us for the phone number that we are going to use in this WhatsApp account. Let's talk a little about the options we have to use in this second WhatsApp. Ideal case, our phone would be dual SIM. And then we use the number of our secondary SIM card. If our phone is a single SIM card, we can also use this service, no problem. We simply have to remove the SIM card that we have in use and place the secondary SIM card only for the moment activation of WhatsApp, and then return the change. Another option is, if we have a basic phone, we can use the number of that other phone for our secondary WhatsApp. Another option is, use our home phone number and request WhatsApp to send us the activation code through a call. The options still do not end. If we have a USB modem or hotspot modem, we can use its SIM card for our secondary WhatsApp. The last option, it would be to use a virtual number service. We continue with the activation. The first thing we do is select the country that corresponds to our phone number. We fill in our phone number and then, next. It will ask us to verify our phone number. If it is correct, we say, OK. Then we have to wait to receive an SMS message with the confirmation code. If the number we are using is in another phone, we will receive a message like this in the other phone and bring that code for our WhatsApp. If we are of what was going to use a residential phone number, we have to wait for this countdown to reach 0 to ask to make us a call and receive the code through call. And if we are one of those who put the SIM card in our phone, we will receive a message like this on our phone that WhatsApp will read automatically. We come to an important point for some, chat backup. This message that we are seeing will only appear to people who have made a chat backup before for this number. Otherwise, if it is a new number, you will not see this message. We are going to restore. It should be noted that in order for you to recover the messages saved for this number, we have to add the email and password of the Gmail account where we have the backup for that number. After the restoration, we give next. Now we are going to configure our profile. The first thing we do is select a photo. We can select a photo from the gallery or take a selfie. I am going to select one from the gallery. We crop them to our liking. OK. We put our name. The name we place here will be how people who do not have our number registered will see us. Next. Congratulations. We already have our second WhatsApp active on the phone.